Hello everyone and welcome to our Fall Forward program. My name is Sarah Speechley. I'm a Superstar Director from Utah and I have been with Scentsy for 15 years. So today I am super excited to first welcome you to this amazing program that we have. Doing these videos and the assignments will help you grow your business. So make sure to watch the videos, post your assignments, and grow your business. So today I wanted to talk to you about one of my favorite things that I have used to grow my business. My business has really taken off. My recruiting has gone up thanks to the Host Exclusive Kit. This is a great opportunity that you need to take advantage of every single time you have a party going in. So for those of you that don't know, I just kind of printed this up to kind of show. Here is the two kit size differences, okay? Some people may want the larger $99 kit, but that's a lot more. But you can do the $59 for the host kit, and it can be no out-of-pocket cost, okay? That is the key word that you want to use, is no out-of-pocket cost. Because how to get it at no out-of-pocket cost? They use their host exclusive rewards. So I want to go over why you should do this and how to do this. Why you want to grow your business. You want to grow your team wide. It is very important to get as many people in your team as you can to grow wide. That is how you can make more money with a business, and it is fun just to have friends join your team and have someone work the business with you. People who recruit will be more likely to stay in the business because you have a team and people you support and they support you. It's fun. Get a friend to join with you. Now, who can you use? Anyone. But first, it is for the host. Let's talk about your host. Anytime you have a host doing a party for you, whether online, Facebook, bingo party, text party, a home party, basket party, or catalog party, talk to the host about joining. She is going to be your best bet in getting a recruit. Why? She already loves the product. That's why she wanted to do a party, right? She already has customers and friends that are placing orders and are going to want to reorder. So talk to her about joining. It may not be the right time. That's okay. If she doesn't want to join using the host exclusive kit, see if she knows anyone else that will want to join, or any of the other customers want to join. I always go for the host first. She is going to be your most likely because she already has customers and friends that are going to want to reorder. So flip that party, okay? I'll go through how. If she doesn't want to, you can offer it to someone else. How do you do this? You just put them as the host and put them as the $59 kit. You want to talk to them. Say there's only one time. It's exclusive. Only one per party can join. And you're closing the party in a certain time, so there's a time limit. Those two things kind of help people want to join if it's exclusive and there's a time limit. So always offer the host kit with every single party you order. Or if the host doesn't want it, find someone else who wants it. And if you are collecting orders and putting in orders under yourself, offer that to someone. Contact people in your list of 100 or people, good customers, past hostesses, people you think would be good consultants. Offer it to them, okay? Tell them, hey, I have an exclusive host kit available. Would you be interested? Hey, I would do more than that. I always give as a compliment. You would be a great Scentsy consultant, and let them know. I'm closing out this party. Let me know by this date. If you're not interested, do you know anyone that might be interested in making a little extra income? Who doesn't want a little extra income, right? And we are in one of the best seasons with the fall. We got wonderful new products with our fall winter catalog, plus we have harvest and holiday. This is a great time for people to join. So really step out of your comfort zone. I know it's hard sometimes. Ask people if they want to join using your host exclusive kit. It's a great way to grow your team. Now, when someone does want to do it, what do? I kind of took some pictures of the last one I did and made this just to kind of show. So first, once you have entered all of your orders, you're going to go to make sure you put whoever is joining as the host, okay? Make sure the email is right. And then you look up, I just type in starter and the starter kit options will show up. You click which starter kit you want, and then it will add it to the host rewards. Now remember, you have to have at least a penny left of host credit to add the starter kit. Now, if it is the host or if it's your own party and you want to give some of those host rewards to them to decrease the amount to make it less than $59, that is great. That's a great way to get it at no extra cost. I mean, if you have a $500 party, you are going to get $75 host credit. Use some of that towards that $59. I would rather, if it's my party and I'm just collecting orders, instead of getting 2 6-pack of bars, I'd rather offer this opportunity and grow my team. So that is what I do. If it's my own party, I offer it. I give up my host rewards for them to join. So once they have added the starter kit, hopefully you can see that image. It will show right here. As soon as that goes in, they will get the consultant agreement form sent to them immediately in their email. Then they can fill out the consultant agreement form. Once they have filled it out, you will see this in your workstation. It says they are ready to join, and it will ask if you want to flip the PRV. So let me just explain what that is. Now, do you want the host who is just joining to get the PRV for this party? That is up to you. If you do, you can choose yes, and then they will get the PRV and already start making money. Now, if it's a host and these are her customers, she collected the orders, I always flip the party to her. Now, if this is my own order that I am entering, then I may keep the PRV for myself and I would just leave it at no, but they still get the starter kit. The starter kit is shipped separate directly to them. So don't worry, if you want the product still to go to you, make sure at the very beginning you have picked ship the party to your address or the host address, wherever you're shipping it to. The starter kit is shipped separate. So just make sure those two things, you make sure it's shipped to you and you decide if you want the PRV or not. It is really simple. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. This is a huge way to grow your business. Make sure to offer every single host, every single party you are entering, offer to flip these to someone else. If someone says no, which they will, some people don't want to join, that's okay. You are planting that seed and maybe they will later. Ask if they know anyone else who wants to join, or go down your list of 100 or your hit list or lead list, depending on what you want to call it. Contact those customers. You never know what blessing this business can be for someone. You don't know, they may really need some extra income, or they may need this opportunity to get out and meet other people and be a part of something. Scentsy is a huge blessing, so don't be afraid to share it. So for your assignment, yes, you will get assignments with these. Your assignment is to make sure the rest of your parties that you place this month, so this is one that you can't post right away if you don't have a party in, but make sure to offer it to someone and keep offering until you have someone that wants to join using that host exclusive kit. Okay, that is your assignment. Please go into your Facebook Fall Forward page and make sure to accept the challenge. The assignment is more of a challenge because you may not have one right now. Accept the challenge and say you will offer this flip host. It is a huge way to grow your business, to help you move up in rank and grow your team. Thank you, and good luck with your parties and flipping your hosts. Bye.